Good afternoon, everyone. My name is TJ Muehleman. I'm founder and chief organizer person of Standard Co. Here with another edition of Data is Awesome, but Managing Data Still Sucks. And you know what we're going to talk about today? You might be thinking we're going to talk about data because that's what we usually talk about. But today we are going to talk about Mailchimp. This is an homage to Mailchimp. I come from Atlanta. I started my first company in 2010. And this was about a year and a half after Mailchimp kind of rolled out their freemium offering and vaulted into the stratosphere. Everybody who is somebody in the startup scene in Atlanta looks up to Mailchimp for a variety of reasons. I look up to them because they taught me that it was okay to be weird and to be authentic, to not worry about talking about how big of a company you are and how many square feet your office space is, how many employees you have, or what your revenue is. They taught me to be committed to one person and one person alone. That was the customer. They taught me that the customer is the person that we look up to and the person that sort of guides who we ought to be, not our P&L or investors or what the media says. And it was because of this that yesterday, when we saw that Mailchimp was acquired for $12 billion, which is, let's be honest, a shitload of money, that we should celebrate that and celebrate it for a variety of reasons. But the reason I'm choosing to celebrate it and the reason I'm excited about it is because it's showing that you can build a sustainable company, you can build a big company, and you can do it on your own terms. And it doesn't mean you have to turn your back on raising money, or it doesn't mean you have to firmly adhere to bootstrapping. It means be authentic to who you are. And I just loved that mission, and I loved that sentiment that you got out of Ben and Dan, the founders of Mailchimp. You couldn't go to an event in Atlanta and not see Mailchimp sponsoring it. They committed to the community, they committed to their customers, they committed to their employees. They weren't a perfect company. I'll be honest with you. Some of their latest offerings in the marketing space have left me a little bewildered because I love email and I want email to just work. But they were a company that was always true to itself. And as somebody who's bootstrapped their company, as somebody who's really committed to talking to my customers and using customer revenue to fund my company, I'm really excited that this shows that you can build a big, meaningful company and that you can do it on your own terms and do it on your own timeline. So in this special edition of Data is Awesome, Managing Data Still Sucks, I'm here to say thank you to Mailchimp. Good luck as a part of Intuit. Maybe one day when I log into QuickBooks and look at my own P&L, maybe I'll just have a little email thing there from Mailchimp that can send it off to somebody. But again, congrats to the Mailchimp team. Thanks for showing us there's a path forward for weird, idiosyncratic companies like us, and good luck in the future. As always, Standard Data is your data platform. Share it with your friends, share it with other people, maybe share it with Ben and Dan. Maybe they want to read this. Thanks a lot, everybody. Until next time. Bye.